Avatar. Okay, let's start. Oh, so let's do this. First, the hair. Search white. Scroll a little bit and you'll find this. Later for the bangs. You search plant. Click this. And now for the bangs. Search white bangs. Click this one or what bangs you want. I want to sew. I want to use. Okay, so I'm keeping on. Search guys, sorry for the long wait. Because I can't find the hair I want. Oh, this is it. Okay, what else? So let's see if we got this. Search pain. Boom, you got this. Okay. Don't mind if we're just okay. Search pick me. No, actually it's not that. Cutest. Pick me. Sorry for the wait. Because I don't know what the search is again. So whatever you want. But okay guys, that's very short. And okay. Now click whatever you want. It's finding my favorite shorts. I'm gonna get shorts. So guys, whatever you want, I'm gonna pick my face. So guys, I'm gonna show you tutorial of the animation. First 4211409027. Guys, there's a problem. Oh yeah. That's it. So whatever you want, pick it. Cause I'm picking my own. Here, tutorial. Done now. Bye.